Hey everybody, we are two moms, let's cook, and today we are cooking maple oatmeal muffins.
A healthy version for breakfast for your kids. We are going to use Bob's Red Mill thick oats, and we're going to put 2 cups. Then we're going to pour in 1 cup of milk, and you're going to give it a good stir. Okay, we're going to measure out a 1/2 cup of maple syrup. And I use the Kirkland just because it's a good brand of maple syrup and you can get a lot of it. Put it into the milk and oats that you already stirred. And you're going to give it a good stir. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Alright, we're going to be using 1/3 cup of any type of oil. You can use coconut oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you prefer baking with. I use vegetable oil because it's versatile. And then we're going to put in 2 large eggs. And we're going to use 2/3 cup of brown sugar. And then we're going to crack 2 cage-free eggs into the mix. Alright, and then we're going to give it a good stir until it's really well mixed. We're going to be using a gluten-free baking flour today because my son has food allergies. We're using the Bob's Red Mill gluten-free baking 1-to-1 flour, which works really well for baking. We're going to use 1.5 cups of flour. Give it a good measure. Stick 1. All right. Then you're going to give it a good stir. Okay, we're going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. And we're going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And if you like cinnamon, you could always toss a tiny bit more in there. I like a little extra, so I'll put a little pinch extra. All right, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And stick it in there and stir it up. And when that's all good and stirred, then we're gonna stick it in muffin containers in the oven and we're gonna bake it. All right, so I take a 1/4 scoop of the batter and I place it in the muffin tins, and I'm gonna go all 12, and then we'll be back. Okay, so then we're just gonna sprinkle a little tiny bit of the the chunky sugar on top, just to give it a little sweetness. If you don't like the extra sweetness, that's okay, you can leave it off, but my kids really enjoy a little bit of sugar on top of the muffins. It just gives it a little extra. And it makes, I would say, about 14 muffins. You usually have about 2 muffins batter left over that you can put in the muffin pans and recook if you want, or you can just throw it out depending on what you prefer. Now we're gonna bake this up. We're gonna put it in for 18 minutes at 400. Alright, we have the final product, golden brown, perfect muffins, nothing doughy, with the little bits of sugar on top. Look at those look delicious. Alright, we cut one open and look at that. It looks delicious inside and out. Nice, crumbly, fluffy. You can see the little sugar. Ready to eat for any delicious Easter brunch. Follow us for more.